click your Windows key and write in Control Panel, so you can find the good old-fashioned Control Panel. And here inside the Control Panel, you will select Programs and Features. And then you'll have this little box, Turn Windows Features on and off. Click this. On this little window, you can see we have the Net Framework 3.5 and we have the Net Framework 4.8. Now, these are usually already checked on many systems, but if these are not checked, please check both of them. And that's how you install the 3.5 and the 4.8. Then you'll just click OK and let Windows update and download the files for you. And you just wait for them to install. And there we have it. After a couple of minutes, they should have installed all the net frameworks as you needed, and you can just close this little window here. Your computer might request you to restart the system, and if it does, well, restart it and the installation is complete. This is your host Eric on GMODISM, and I'm signing out.